Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Silver and Gold as recorded by Kirk. This song was recorded in the key of D flat. Okay, so let's go through the intro. Okay, so you're going to start off on a D flat chord. You're going to be playing the D flat to an E flat minor to a D flat. Then you're going to go to an F7 flat 9. It's like playing an F sharp diminished 7 on top of F7. Okay? Then you're going to go to a B flat minor 7. To an A flat minor 9 to a D flat 9, F sharp major 7 to D flat over F, to B flat minor 7 again, G half diminished to an F sharp minor 6. Okay? D flat over F, E flat minor, B flat minor over D flat, to C minor 7 flat 5, F sharp 13, to then F7, to A diminished 7th, B flat minor 7, A flat over C, D flat, A flat minor 9, B flat over D, E flat minor, D flat over F, E flat minor over F sharp, D flat over A flat. So you can play this move here, which is that D flat 9 to F major 13, or you can play a F minor 7 flat 5 to a B flat 7 flat 9. So another option, you can play this F minor 6 on top of A flat, silver and gold. Or like the very original recording, you can play this F sharp chord. This is F sharp on top of A flat, silver and gold. Okay, so then you're going to play an F sharp over B flat to an A flat over C to D flat. Now I like to play this little classical lick here. Okay, so the first lyric start, you're playing generally the same progression. Silver and gold, silver and gold, I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. No fame, no fortune, riches untold. I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. D flat, F7 flat 9, B flat minor 7, A flat, D flat 7. The F sharp major to that D flat over F. flat minor 7. Then you're going to go to an E flat over G, add 2, and go. Okay. No fame, no fortune. Okay, so then you did that D flat over F to that F7 flat 9 sharp 5, B flat minor 7, A flat over C, untold. Okay, rather have Jesus than silver and gold. Okay, so then the tag is going to be I'd rather have Jesus. Then you're playing I'd rather have Jesus. So you're playing that F sharp to that F7 flat 9 sharp 5 to that B flat minor 7, A flat minor 7, D flat. So F sharp major you can do. Roughly it's like that. Okay, and so then when you're going to get out of there, you're going to walk up. Rather have Jesus than silver and now the vamp. Gold. Then you hear the change. And that's how the song ends. So let's break it down. So rather the regular gospel ending, then silver, and now we're going to play a D flat 2. You're going to play that bass, right? Dun, dun. Now you're going to play a B major 7. So this is a B. What is that? First inversion or second inversion? Then we're going to add that 7 there. D flat on the bottom makes it all a D flat 13 sus, right? Very nice. Then, actually this is supposed to be an F sharp major 9. And often I hear him play it, emphasizing this 13 note, so let's make it an F major 9, 13. Then, I'm gonna play this B9. Yep, B9. Then we're going to go just up a half step to C9, and then play it again, same thing. Now, I love this change here, where now we're going to go to the B flat minor 9, alright, so that E flat 9, 13, A flat minor 9, D flat 9, 13. Yeah, F sharp major 9, B9, and the song ends. That was Silver and Gold by Kirk Franklin. Hey, thank you guys so much for all of the comments, the likes, and the subscriptions. If there's a song that you want me to put up a tutorial on, please send in a donation. There's links in the bio and in the video description. And thank you again, and I'll be back with some more tutorials.